Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given a question 5 power x over 25 equals to 60. Let's provide solution very quickly here by copy 5 power x over 25 equals to 60. And first trick here is to change these numbers that we have into base 5, so that we should get 5 power x over here 5 squared equals to here 5 times 12. At this stage we have here 5 power x then minus 2 equals to 5 times 12. And of course here we should divide 5 and divide 5 here. This one and this will be cancelled to get here half power 1, so that we have 5 power x minus 2 minus 1 equals to 12. And you should get here 5 power x then minus 3 equals to here it is 4 times 3. At this stage you shall apply logarithm on both sides to get 5 power logarithm of 5 power x minus 3 equals to a logarithm of 4 times 3, and this is equals to x minus 3 logarithm of 5 equals to here logarithm of 4 plus logarithm of here 3. Then here at this stage we have to divide logarithm of 5, and then here divide logarithm of 5, and here divide logarithm of 5, and of course this and this will go to get x minus 3 equals to here 2 logarithm of 2 to the base 5. From here this is 2 squared, and which is 2 logarithm of 2 to the base 5 plus logarithm of 3 to the base 5, and we shall get x equals to 3 plus 2 logarithm of here 2 to the base 5 plus logarithm of here 3 to the base 5 as the final solution. And here I have to check nicely if the answer is correct. So I have given 5 power x over 25 equals to 60, and here you have to say 5 power here 3 plus 2 logarithm of here 2 to the base 5 plus here logarithm of here 3 to the base 5 over 25 here should be 60. And of course here we have 5 power 3 times here it is 5. When it comes here we'll get 5 power, let us say 2 logarithm of 2 to the base 5, then here times 5 here of 5 power logarithm of 3 to the base 5 equals to 60 here divided by 25, and this will be 125 times, once it comes here we get 4, and this will be bigger to get 125 times 4, and here times 5 this and this to get 3, then over 25 this will be 60. This one will be simplified to get 1, and here we get 5, so that we shall get 5 times 4 times 3 is 12, which equals to 60, and 60 will be 60, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.